Up for sale, 1984 Monte Carlo SS. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 84 Monte Carlo Super Sports, finished in blue with blue interior. 42,000 and some change original miles. First owner from 1984 until 2021. It's a 2-owner car. I have the window sticker, warranty plan, original bill of sale, original manual, all the little documents that you would have gotten buying it new, of course, as well as it seems to be receipts for pretty much anything that was done by the first owner, which is pretty cool. It's original paint, original interior, all original panels, zero rust on the car. Underneath is very, very solid and impressive. But of course, go around it, point anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and we will start her in the front. Original paint. So what you get on the nose, of course, you get some little checks in some spots here. About the worst thing on the car is right here, kind of checked and the paint kind of flaked. But then some various little stone chips here in the front. It's bound to happen over all the years and 42,000 miles. But again, the panels all line up super nice. The paint, for being original, still is, in my opinion, super nice. I mean, look at the hood. The hood looks great. I know blue you don't see too often on these cars, which is what made me really excited about it. It's not just white. Black is nice, but it's not just the same white ones you always see. A couple other little marks on it here. All the glass is original. It's no cracks. It's mint. Here's a little example. You get the VIN there, but also the dash is fantastic that you see there. No cracks. The interior is beautiful, but I'll get to that when we get there. Morning. Here's the folder of all the paperwork, which I will, of course, get to shortly. The clock works. All the gauges work. And one of the things that I was impressed with about the engine compartment was I expected it to be clean for 42,000 miles, but it has that lower mile cleanliness. Like the air cleaner is super nice. All the paint here is nice. Inner fender walls look nice. Look how nice the compressor is for the air. The hoses, lines, stuff like that. So that's what I've been keying in on. Originally, it was rust-proofed, like the white one I have. You can see the rust-proofing here. You could see it there sprayed on the inner fenders and the fender wells. Some tabs in the door jamb, which is good. You want to keep it solid. It was sold new in Michigan, of course, so you want to keep it solid, rust-free. And absolutely, between the ownership, low miles, and the rust-proof, you're not going to find any on the car. A couple things that the owner changed. First owner, all by the first owner. He put headers on it. I have in the trunk the original manifolds and the smog pump. So what he did take off and replace, I do have. It's got Hotchkiss Hotchkiss box control arms in the back. I have the receipt for that. That was done in 1992, which is pretty cool. Yeah, smooth as silk, drives like you'd expect it to be for 42,000 miles. Dropping down here, of course, this fits nice. A couple little, more blemishes there. It's got the correct wheels on there for the car. You come over here. You don't even pick it up in the camera. Some little, like I call them, little spider webs in there, because again, original paint. But look down here, how nice that is. This is totally original. It's that like textured feeling from the factory all the way back. So nice. All the panels line up nice. The doors open and close exactly how you would expect them to be. I know I mentioned it already. No cracks in the glass. It was tinted glass. That's the option it was ordered with. On top of the car, which I just had a friend here, you see this little checking that's going to happen from, being original with the sun, stuff like that. It's expected. Then now hopping in, you got the original tags in the door, all the original paint, no rust, no repairs here. The hem's mint. This door panel honestly looks like new. The seats, front and rear, show like no use. I mean, really, look how nice this side is here. I mean, a little, you know, I'm just being anal now, a little marking from the seatbelt over the years, but like nothing, no tears, nothing like that. Your steering wheel looks like brand new. Let me move these over. Front and rear seat belts. It's got the GM Correct floor mats in it, which are blue. They complement, of course, the blue interior. Okay. How nice those controls are. How nice the dash is in the glove box here. A little closer on the wood grain, how nice that is. And you can in fact hear the clock working and see it. 42,494 miles, again, 2-owner car. A little Kenwood fader down there. Look how nice that is. But anyway, let's take our time here. I even have the original title for the car from Michigan. 1984. And this one I went to the dealer that bought it with 41948 miles. So actually, only 1,300 miles have been put on it since it was sold in 2021. I got that. I got this. This is just the normal stuff you get. This is the odometer. This odometer mileage statement when it was new. This is the release because he financed it new through General Motors Acceptance Corporation. This is your last payment completed. Little note. That's kind of cool. He saved even that. When he registered it, new. Pre-delivery inspection sheet. This is the original bill of sale. It was sold at Morales Chevrolet Sales and Service, I believe. There's all the accessories he had done. This is the tax return, it looks like. General Motor Acceptance Corporation. Yeah, sales contract. You got this for the Space Saver. Total protection. MIC General. Through warranty plan. This is the original one that was on the in the engine compartment. They replaced it. Nice to keep the original one. That's the kind of guy. Original manual. Whatever this is. It just looked old, so I, brought it out. This was interesting. McGuire's Car Care, especially prepared for the owner. 1984 Monte Carlo. Kind of cool. And then most importantly, your window sticker here. 12.5 new. Yeah, Morales Chevrolet Sales and Service in Michigan. The assembly plant was Texas. Some of the options, AM radio, heavy duty battery, dual rear speakers, auxiliary lighting, halogen high beam, limited slip diff, air conditioning, intermittent windshield speeds, color keyed floor mats. Those very well could be the original floor mats actually. Tinted glass. Very cool. Very cool. And then this is receipts for everything that was done over the years. So I took a nice picture. I spread them all out. Again, I love seeing some of these receipts, and especially how old some of them are. So, of course, all this goes with the car. I will quickly just stick it all back in here for safekeeping. But again, look how nice these controls are. I mean, the way the dash presents itself in the steering wheel, it reminds me of that 7,900 mile car that I have right now. And just look how nice, if you can see it, how nice those are on both sides. If I didn't already show you how nice the paint is in here in the door jamb. Your back seat, or the back of the seat. Door panels, sail panel. How tight the headliner is in all the corners. Seats mint, and then you go to the headliner, and it's exactly how you expect it to be. Tight, not sagging, working dome light, mint visors, even up there. me refocus my camera. Okay. Back at it, back at it. Couple little minor marks right there. But this corridor all the way back is super nice. Even down here, this is nice. It's got that same textured feeling from the factory. You know, zero bubbles. Looks superb. All this lines up exactly how you want it to be.
Another beauty, huh?
Yes. You see both speakers in there from the factory. Back bumper's really nice. This whole section's really nice. See a little touch up right there. Oh no, that's not a touch up. There's something on there. That comes off. Hold on. Yeah, that's gone. Like something sticky was on there. You can see the smudge still. But anyway. Lines up nice. Equally nice. Nice again. Nice in the paint here. Again, the parts I mentioned you get. Your original spare, jack. I did take a picture underneath here. It's exactly how you would expect it to be. Remnants of the original mat, but just solid as a rock, not even surface rust on that. Your finish in here is exactly how you would expect it to be. And then I noticed, I think I mentioned this on the other car, nice stamping there, super crisp. Your original tag there, which I did take a picture of. And that's beautiful under here. Once again, this fitment is exactly how you want to see it. Zero bubbles down there. Somebody just sneezed above me. Perfect fitment. I love seeing that on original cars. And oh, I didn't mention it before. These are these rust-proofing tabs that I mentioned about, where they shoot rust-proofing in there when new. That's what I was referring. It's the same stuff that you found in the engine compartment to preserve it. Look how nice this is here. All the way up. Interior is just mint. Like, just look how clean the seats are. Look how nice it is in here. Nice fitment here. Again, you see that textured finish there from the factory. But then again, really just the worst part of the car, which I know I showed you right away, was this little section here. But again, as you've seen going around, the rest of the back here really does look very nice original. A couple little, minor stone chips there. This looks all nice here though, other than that, but the rest of that. Oh, I might just fire it up now, let you guys hear it. And then we'll take her for a spin. Let me get my key in there. Yeah, I know, the belt squeaks when you start it and then it stops. Very nice and smooth though. Welcome to 1984.
Yes. Dude, this thing is actually really, like, stock.
Yeah.
Like, everything is, like, minus the radio, but...
Headers, which I have the manifolds for. And then the hotchkiss in the back. Otherwise, everything else I've looked at has been original.
Yeah, I don't think very many cars survived the 80s and 90s with the original.
Yeah.
You know.
There's a beautiful dash on this car.
It is, man. I love the wood grain.
Yeah, all the gauges work.
Yeah. We need gas, but...
Yeah, I know we need gas.
At least it works, though.
Yeah.
I've always liked these cars. I just...
The interior, in my opinion, feels very close to the 7,900 mile one. Just the way it looks. Which is impressive for, 42,000 miles.
Well, people took care of stuff.
Yeah, well, it was one owner.
Oh, wow.
Until 2021. Oh, what is that? That's almost 40 years.
Yeah.
Oh, 37 years? Excuse me.
Oh, but the steering on this thing is great. The brakes are great.
It's very tight. I know, you didn't say anything.
Everything feels like it's brand new.
Yeah, we could pull it around back if you want. I know, it does feel like that brand new feeling.
It does.
The steering wheel's nice and tight.
Yeah. Centered.
And it is centered. It's centered.
Yeah.
I can't get over how clean it looks.
Yeah.
Just the
It's
steering
like I
wheel
never
itself.
got to it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know.